Today on the Golden Life of Roscoe.
Go, y'all, go! Go! You want to go on the trail? You do? Come on.
You want Daddy to roll down your window?
We'll head out that window. Check it out. We're gonna go from here down, 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 boom. Oh no, wait, I did it backwards. We're here. I'm gonna go boom, 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 and then we leave right there. And we're gonna see a bunch of tall boys. These are Roscoe's favorite. But if y'all are ever in Apopka, definitely gotta check this place out. We love it. This is your favorite place. Letting him go pee before we start. Such a nice day out. Alright. We'll see you back in the car. This is Daryl.
Yeah.
He is so intrigued by him. That boy do love him a bird. I'll go around you. I'll go around you. Oh,
Here's
you
another
see
one.
that big boy?
Yeah, I do.
Look at that head. Get the head on that sucker. Oh, he's peeking. We'll ride up to this pump house and see what we can see. Go into the pump house.
Come here. I don't want you that close. There's gaties.
Something cuts through right here. You can see it. It's like a trail to the water. I'm just gonna walk up to that pump house real quick. The boy is exploring. Another one. You see that birdie over there? You better stay, boy. You let him tan. He's tanning. Let him do his thing. Lake Apopka is known for being green and polluted. They're trying to do better with it. Slowly rehab it. Such a nice day. I want to show you the big pumps themselves right over here. Look at that. Those are cool. Big old pumps. It looks like there's one, two, at least three of them. It goes from all the way there, all the way back. Hey, I think I know you guys. I think I know this guy. Okie dokie.
Good boy, Roscoe. Come on.
Good boy, come on. Get this boy some water.
Okay, load up. No, not in my seat.
Boy, this way. Roscoe.
You get in your seat.
Roscoe. You know the drill.
Nice chance before I dump it.
Any more? Oh, he wants his water in the car. In
That's
the
what I
car.
thought, boy.
Picky boy, picky boy.
Heat advisory.
93. Probably feels like 103. Oh
Yeah,
my gosh.
It does. Humidity is making it feel hotter.
Feels like 103.
Look at
How
that
do we
sweat.
do it?
That's the proof right there. That's 2 minutes looking at the pump house. See, look at my boy. He fussed it too.
He's like, guys, I'm ready to keep going. Get that breeze. So tiny. How many are there?
There's like
3?
5.
1, 2.
The mom's got 3, and then there's 2 right there. Yeah, 5. That is so sweet. We're looking at.
Oh, he flew off with it. He thought we were coming for his food.
Well, hopefully y'all got to see that.
Oh, look, they're putting in new ones. Nice. Do I have the window down? Oh, sorry. I have the wrong window down.
Hi, baby. Somebody wants you to get home for their nap.
Nap time for the baby.
Yeah.
Ooh. Go, y'all, go. Go. Rain, rain, go away.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We made it home. Success.